Hello friends, I would like to review this product because it's very wonderful and it's for kids. Maybe till 5 years they can use this. This is Jumbo Activity Buttons. So the product has a wooden board with holes and some cards, very colorful cards. It is transport. I have bought this transport. Even there are vegetables, fruits also available. There are so many cards also. And the main special thing is this Jumbo Buttons. You can see it's very big and very colorful and so many also. It's very good. Like it is inserting type. So it's very good actually. I will show you how to play this. First you can select any one card from this. I have selected ambulance. So keep exactly for this hole. Now we have to give these buttons for them. So they have to fix exactly according to the color. Suppose the here red means. So they have to keep here red. So they have to try to insert. Then white means they have to insert here white. Then blue means they have to insert here blue. So in this actually lot of learning will happen. They will learn the colors. Even they will learn the vehicles also and that inserting. So fine motor skill also will develop. And main thing they will not swallow this. Since it is very big, they cannot put in their mouth. It's like activity. So during this pandemic they can do this at home. So please have a try for this product or you can make this in home also. See this is red. So here red will come. So you can find out whether they know the colors or they will learn the colors also and they will surely enjoy. So please get this product. Once they finish like this it will be. You can get this. Actually I am not endorsing this product but this makes the kids completely engaged. One disadvantage is like again when I go to the next card I should remove all this. Again I should start from the first because there is only one wooden board. But please try this product.